What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. Today we're about to do a frontal quick weave. I'm here with my beautiful niece and my beautiful nephew, and we're about to get down. I'm going to start with her foundation, which is very important. You know that foundation has to be right. If it's not right, then you're going to be looking like Humpty Dumpty fell off the wall, and we ain't trying to look like that, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to be back in a second. Hold on. All right, you guys, we did the ball cap method, and then I added about 3 or 4 layers of glue to her hairline, and then we're going to lay the frontal, you know what I'm saying, making sure it's balanced. That's very important that it's balanced. You feel me? And you start in the middle, and you take your comb. You take the end of the comb, or you can take the other side. It's really up to you. The most important thing is adding that pressure, making sure that that glue and that lace mesh well together. You know what I'm saying? And then you're going to do your elastic band. That's going to help. Y'all know how the melting process is. For those who don't know, this is how it works. You feel me? Or whatever. So after that, you're going to go to the back of the frontal and you're going to sew it down. You're starting in the middle. You're going to go from the middle to one side and then the middle to the other side. So that way it's balanced and that way the tension is even. You feel me? Because if it's not even, it's going to fold. It's going to fold. And if you know what the folds is about, the fold is not a vibe. The folds is not a vibe at all. And so if it's starting to fold, meaning watch your lace as you're sewing it, watch your funnel as you're sewing it. If it's starting to fold, just do it over and make your stitches tighter in the back. You know what I'm saying? And then after that, we're going to move into adding some more hair into it. Adding the hair to the back, and then I'm going to press it out, and then we're going to do some little tips and tricks or whatever, and I'll let you guys watch and see how that is, and I'll be back in a second. All right, you guys, we're going to release that elastic band, and you guys might get a little something that look like this. I don't know. You know, your boy might have did a little something. You feel me? I might have did a little shaky tacky. Your hair. All right. But I'm going to go through with my comb and release some of that product on that hairline, and then I'm going to go back into the hairline with my hot comb just to smooth everything out. And she's going for a side part, and so we're going to swerve that bad boy to the back. You're going to see what that is in a minute. And then we're going to flatten her out, and then yeah, you guys just keep watching, and I'll be back in a second. Hey, yo, listen, look at this tuck behind the ear, man. Look how wonderful that is. Like, uh, if it's tucked behind the ear, I'm staying down. That's how I feel about it. You know what I'm saying? Tuck behind the ear, quit playing. Stop. Quit playing. Stop playing with me. Let me go on. I'll be back in a second. Hold on. All right, you guys, this is an extra step I used to take just to clean up the parting. You guys know the vibes. Y'all already know what time it is when it comes to the concealer and the black spray and, you know what I'm saying, manipulating that part to make sure it's extra crispy. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the vibes. This is just my process, and hopefully, I'm pretty sure you guys have used it before, but just take a look at my way. Now, would you look at that? Now, just look at it. Just look at it. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Man, listen, before y'all go, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. And I will be back on another video soon. Sorry for all my antics. It's just part of my personality. You just got to deal with it, you know? I can't help it. But make sure you follow me. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? And give your boys props. Let me know what you feel like in the comments. Stop playing with your boy. I'll be back. All right, later.